Hello friends, today we are going to learn decimal chapter. Okay, let's start. Now first thing, the fraction whose denominators are 10, 100 or 1000 etc. are called decimal fraction. Example, 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000 and so on. So all the denominators are either 10, 100 or 1000. So they are known as decimal fraction. Okay, now here if I take 1 by 10, so how you can write this 1 by 10, this fraction in decimal form? Now there is only one zero, so after decimal there should be only one number. Okay, and here you can put zero. This zero doesn't make any there is no value of this, so you can put a zero over here. Now if I take 1 by 100, that means there are how many zeros are there? Two zeros are there. So after decimal there should be two digit. Now there is one digit. Now I have to add one more digit over here, and so in this way it will go. Now suppose it is 1 by 1000. So how many digits are there? How many zeros are there? Three zeros are there. So after decimal there should be three digits. After decimal there should be three digits. This all are known as decimal numbers or simple decimal. All these numbers are known as decimal number. Okay. Now suppose example 45.63. This is whole number, and this 63 is the part. The 63 is the part of that whole number which is that is less than 1. That means the number which is after decimal the digit will always be less than 1. It should always be less than 1. Okay, now one more thing, we'll erase this one. This is known as decimal number. Okay, these are decimal fraction. When the denominators are either 10, 100 or 1000, they are known as decimal fractions. We can convert these decimal fractions in decimal number. So how you will convert the decimal fraction into decimal number? Now the first thing, here it is 10, that means only one zero is there. So after decimal there will be one digit. If it is 100, there are two zeros are there. So after decimal there should be two digits. 1000, there are three zeros. So after decimal there will be three digits. Okay, now if I take this decimal number, 45 is the whole number and 63 is the part that is less than 1. That means after decimal whatever be the number, it should always be less than 1. Now the second thing, now suppose I take a number 158.34. Okay, now if I want to show this in place value chart, what I will do, I will first expand this. I will write the expanded form. So 100 plus 50 plus 8 plus. Now after decimal, this is the first digit. So 10 plus 4. After decimal, this is the second digit. It will be 100. Okay, now here if I want to write place value of 3. So what is the place value of 3? 3 by 10. Place value of 4. 4 by 100. Place value of 5 is 50. This is the way to show the decimal number in a place value chart. So what you will do, you will first write the number in expanded form. 158, how we can write 158? It is 100 plus 50 plus 8 plus, now why 3 by 10? Because after decimal this is the first digit, so 1 0. After decimal this is second digit, 2 zeros. Okay, and the place value will be 3 by 10. Now next thing is like fraction and unlike fraction. Like fraction and unlike fraction. Okay, now here suppose here 0.5, 13.28, then 15.705. So these all are unlike fraction. Why they are unlike fraction? क्यों unlike fraction है? Because here only one digit is there, here two digits are there, one digit, two digit, here it is three digit. Okay, so suppose they ask you to convert this into like fraction. अभी मुझे इसको like fraction में convert कर देना है. तो what I will do? Now the biggest number here is 15.705. Why? Because here three digits are there. So what I will do? I will take 13.28. Here two digits are there. Here three digits are there. Here three digit, and here only two digits are there. So I will put a 0 here. This 0 doesn't make any difference. This 0 will not make any difference. If you put on the right hand side of the decimal number, if you put a 0, it will not make any difference. The value remains the same. So here it is 0.5. Now only one digit is there. So what I will do, I will add two more zeros here. Now all these three are like fraction. Okay, now what we understood from here, that if after decimal we will see how many digits are there. If there are different digits are there, now here in the first case it's having only 1 digit, 2 digit. Here after decimal there are 3 digits, so they are unlike fractions, unlike decimal, not unlike fraction, unlike decimal. Like decimal and unlike decimal. This is like decimal, not fraction, sorry. Like decimal and unlike decimal. Okay, so what I have done for to make this unlike decimal into like decimal, इसको like decimal से like decimal में convert करने के लिए मुझे ये तीनों after decimal के तीनों number same चाहिए, 3 digits चाहिए. Okay, so I have add zeros over there, so to make it a like decimal. Okay, the next thing now, here suppose it is 0.1 and here it is 0.08. Okay, now here see the first 2 digits are same. So now we will see the second digit. Now 1 and 0, which one is bigger? 1 is bigger. That means 0.0 is smaller and 0.1 is bigger. Okay, now we will take one more example. Suppose 62.74 and 62.78. Now here 62 same. Then we will go to the next one. This is 74 and 78. So 78 is bigger. That means 62.78 is bigger than 62.74. You have to check, you will compare digit wise. 62 is same, so you will go to the next digit, that is 74 and 78. So 78 is bigger than 74. This is the way to compare. Then 20.5. How you will write it in spelling, in words? So how you will write 20.5. This is the one way. This is first way. Second way is 25/10. Okay, we will see one more example. We will see one more example over here so that it will be clear for you. Suppose I have taken here 28.15. Okay, so the way to write is 28.15. Don't write 15, it is 15. Don't write 15 after decimal. After decimal the number will be read as 15, not 15. 28.15 नहीं read करना है. It will be 28.15. हमें इसे separate read करना है. 15 read करना है, 15 नहीं. Or else you can write it in the second way. It is 28 1/10 500. 1/10 500. This is the two way to write the decimal number in words. To write the decimal number in words. And if it is given in words, suppose it is given as 7/10. 7/10. So how you will write 7/10? 7/10. That is written as 0.7. Clear? Or 100 and 900. Suppose you have to write this in 100 plus 900. So how you will write 100 point. Now 10 is not there, first digit is not there, so you will put a 0 and then 9. This is the way to write the decimal number when it is given in words. How you will write it in figure? So 100 will be written as 100 plus 900. 900 means 9 by 100. 9 by 100 means 0.09. So 100.09. This is the way to write I want to convert 2 by 5 in decimal. I want to convert 2 by 5 in decimal. So what I will do, now I have to convert this denominator either in 10 or 100 or 1000. I have to convert the denominators. Now here it is 5, so what I will do, I will multiply with 2. Why with 2? Because 5 2s are 10. So denominator is 10 now, 2 2s are 4. So it is 4 by 10, which can be written as 0.4. Clear? Got it? कैसे चेंज करना है? कैसे चेंज करना है? अभी सोचो एक मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में है, 4 1/2 है. सो व्हाट आई विल डू, 4 1/2 दिया हुआ है, उससे बोल रहे हैं कि इसको डेसिमल में चेंज करो. चेंज दिस इनटू डेसिमल. चेंज 4 1/2 इन डेसिमल. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप इज कन्वर्ट दिस मिक्स फ्रैक्शन इनटू इम्प्रॉपर. 4 2s are 8, सो इट विल बी 9/2. आई हैव कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू इम्प्रॉपर. मिक्स फ्रैक्शन को मैंने इम्प्रॉपर में कन्वर्ट किया. अभी देखो यहाँ पे 2 है, मुझे क्या चाहिए? डिनोमिनेटर 10 चाहिए. आई विल मल्टीप्लाई विथ 5. सो इट इज 45 by 10. So 45 by 10 can be, after digit there should be only one number. So it is 4.5. It is 4 1 by 2 can be written as 4.5. This is the way to convert the mixed fraction into a decimal number. अगर आपको लोएस्ट टर्म में भी कन्वर्ट करने के लिए बोल रहे हैं, सपोज इट इज 3.8, दे आर आस्किंग टू कन्वर्ट दिस डेसिमल 3.8 इनटू लोएस्ट टर्म. सो पहला स्टेप क्या करेंगे हम, आफ्टर डेसिमल ओनली वन डिजिट इज देयर. दैट मीन्स टू रिमूव दिस आई विल राइट, this is the way to convert. Now first thing, why I have written 38 by 10, because after decimal one digit is there. So if I write I have to remove this decimal, I will write 38 by 10. Now divide this with 2 5 times. 38 will be 1 times, 18 will be 9 times. So the answer will be 19 by 5. This is the simplest form or the lowest form. When they ask you convert this decimal into lowest form, so याद रखना एक चीज कि it will be always come in फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म. अगर इसको फिर से डिवाइड करेंगे, अगर हम 19 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 करने की कोशिश करेंगे, तो अगेन यू विल गेट द सेम 3.8. सो डोंट डू दैट. व्हेन दे आर आस्किंग यू टू कन्वर्ट दिस डेसिमल टू इट्स लोएस्ट फॉर्म, तो हमें सबसे पहले चीज करना है कि हमें ये डेसिमल को रिमूव करना है फ्रैक्शन में लाने के लिए. सो इफ इट इज आफ्टर डेसिमल वन डिजिट इज देयर, सो इट विल बी 38 by 10. अगर 2 डिजिट होता तो ये 100 हो जाता. ठीक है, उसके बाद आप कटिंग मेथड यूज करेंगे एंड दिस इज द लोएस्ट फॉर्म. इज 4 by 5. You have to find equivalent decimal. So what I will do here, I will multiply with 2. So it will be 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10. Okay, so the answer will be 0.8. So 4 by 5, the equivalent decimal will be 0.8. 4 by 5, the equivalent decimal will be 0.8. This is the way to find the equivalent decimal. Now suppose it is 7 by 100. So 0.07. Equivalent decimal. This is known as these are the decimal form. We have to find the equivalent. Now you have to find equivalent of this 4 by 5 or 7 by 5. This is the way to write it in decimal form. This is the way to write it in decimal form. Now suppose we will solve one example over there as 2.08, and they are asking you to write this in place value. You have to write this thing in place value. So what I will do, 2 plus 0 by 10 plus 8 by, after decimal 2 digits, so 8 by 100. So place value of 2 is 2, place value of 0 will be 0 itself, and place value of 8 will be 8 by 100. Now we will do something